To begin, start by typing Stockx into your web browser's search bar, and then select the first option, Stockx.com. This will direct you to the Stockx homepage, where you can access various features such as the search bar, news, help, and sell options, as well as your favorites, notifications, and profile. To log in, click on the login button and enter your email and password. Once logged in, you will have access to your account, which includes several sections, such as the search bar, news, and help. To add an item to your cart, you can favorite it or simply click on the Buy Now option, which will automatically add the item to your cart, since there isn't a traditional Add to Cart feature. Clicking Buy Now serves as a substitute. After completing these steps, you will have successfully added an item to your cart on Stockx.